Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of a DELL Latitude E7470. The reason of battery replacement could be anything. It could be due to the battery doesn't work, or the battery is broken, or it is not holding the charge anymore. So there could be many reasons you may want to replace the battery of your laptop. So in my case, the battery is completely swollen. So that could be due to the regular aging of the battery, or it could be due to overheating due to high temperatures, or it could be due to any other reason. So if you see the back lid of my laptop, the back lid is completely bulged due to the battery. So what I'm going to do is I ordered a new battery online, and I'm going to replace my old battery with the new battery that I ordered. So to do that, the first thing we have to do is take out all the screws on the back. So there are 8 screws on the back that we are going to take it out. All right. So as you can see here, the battery is completely bulged. So to remove the battery, there are 2 more screws which are holding the battery to the laptop, and the connector wire that we have to remove in order to take out the battery. So there is a little handle here that you can hold and slightly wiggle it a bit, and the cable will come out. So you need to be extremely careful while removing the cable, because the new battery doesn't have a cable attached to it. So you have to save the cable to be able to attach the new battery. So we are now going to remove the 2 screws that are holding the battery to the laptop. And here's the battery. If you see, all the covers and everything has come out because of the shape of the battery. It is completely deformed, like completely bulged from the top and the bottom. Now we are going to remove the wire that we need for the new battery. Alright, so the cable is taken out, and this is the new battery that I ordered online. I'm going to take it out from the cover, and here is the new battery. There is a plastic cover on the back that we are going to take it out. And our cable will go the same way as it was attached to the old battery. Attach the cable back. So now it is going back to its original position. Just place it at the same location and plug the cable to the board. And screw it back. So the new battery is in place and we are ready to screw the back cover. Make sure all the screws are tight. Perfect. Just double checking if there's any little screw on the back. And there is no bulge on the back lid, and the back lid has fit just about the right way. There's no gap anywhere. I hope it was helpful to you. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.